Minister, at the time I need come far a year. COVID-19 who number can be asymptomatic and in this respect, you know, are there similar traits when it comes to monkeypox? The incubation period I work on in 14 days now work on within that period, no, the person cannot determine with any sign be as I have caught or I am catching this disease.
Difficult to tell. It starts usually with very flu-like symptoms. Maybe a headache, now why a shikaka. And I only say, those are non-specific symptoms because the area be with me those conditions. Yeah. No, monkeypox because malaria beat me a mouse, COVID beat me a mouse, flu beat me a mouse. Inti when ya symptoms in the early parts. By no any idea with me, Gina Swaka we send me feel monkeypox, unfortunately. It's beyond incubation time of 7 to 14 days, you know. And Sana was that the more specific symptoms, you know, of the disease.
Okay.
But within that time, mostly you are not infectious. But when you go beyond that time now, when the blisters start forming and all that, now you can transmit the virus to other people who come into contact with you.
All right. So, the only sign of determining is when you are any be and it's who first pox or skin ana.
So early test earlier on during the incubation period, you can pick it up. But in terms of one kasa who say maybe most of the time, when you get the blisters, when you start getting the blisters on your skin.